What's good, DJ? Good afternoon. Good afternoon, DJ. It's Monday, May 12th. The time is currently 1:17 p.m. What's going on, DJ? This weekend has felt like a whole week long, boy. Woo! So much has went down. So much, so much, so much. But we move. DJ, it's just me and you against the world, all right? Today I actually woke up pretty late. I woke up at 8:10. That's because I couldn't sleep really and truly. And when I could get some decent sleep, it was time to wake up. Woke up at 8:10, looked at Econ Day, saw that obviously there wasn't news this morning. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take this morning off, get some good rest, went back to sleep, woke up again at 11 or 11:15. Didn't actually do my morning routine. I realized once if I don't wake up in the morning, I don't do my morning routine because when I wake up later in the day, it completely escaped my mind actually to do my morning routine. So I didn't do anything really pertaining to my morning routine other than hydrate really and truly. Um, but yeah, it's all good, DJ. Let's get on with it. Arrived at my desk at 1:10. Okay. As always, my weekly target is 5% and my daily target is my 2 bullets. Mental check-in, like I was just saying, this weekend was a lot for me. Real life, just always comes into play. And I'm gonna try really hard today not to bring it into the market, okay, and just focus on what I need to be focused on. And really and truly, I'm not 100% mentally there, okay, but I'm 100% mentally here in the charts, okay, but real life shit, I'm not 100% mentally there, but I'll try not to like bring it into today. So my mood going into today is like I'm okay. I'm excited to see price action. Okay, this is where I thrive. Okay, this is where um it brings me joy to be in front of the market, learning and growing and getting 1% better. But yeah, I'm excited to see what price action has in store for us today. And as always, I'm excited to grow and get 1% better as we do here. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. News, as you can see, no news on Forex Factory that we checked from last week, obviously. Today's not Friday, mate. Today's Monday. Anyway, whatever. There was no news, all right? The only news we have is this treasury statement at 2 p.m. So we have news today. Okay, making an optimal day to take a trade. Really why I didn't really want to come to the morning, really. I was like, you know what? We really have news in the PM session. Let me just get some rest. Risk going into today, due to everything that's happened over the weekend and how I'm feeling. Okay, I made a decision to stay at 1, okay, until further notice. At the time like this, I don't want to be increasing my risk and jeopardizing more of how I'm feeling and shit like that. So I'm just gonna stay at 1 until the remainder of this week, and I'll see how this week goes. And yeah, we'll go from there, DJ. Yeah. Weekly condition, I did do my weekly analysis. Okay, I'm in a buy program this week. That means I'm expecting a larger expansion of the weekly candle to the upside. Let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything's overnight and morning session to see if anything's happened to change that for me. Dollar, dollar, dollar bill, y'all. All right. The low's expanding higher and higher. So that means that 4-hour sell. Oh, well, we gave you something. Came and took this sell side here. I washed my hair yesterday too, so you already know that's why I couldn't sleep, because my nose was stuffy and shit, and I couldn't even like get a good night's sleep. I still don't get the science behind that, but whatever. Where is this from? Like, why is it there? Oh, it's the remainder of that. No. Remainder of this whole thing to that. Got you. Overall, all right. Let's see, dollars retracing into the range. All right, we do have a daily CB over here. Okay, we have buy side with inefficiency up here with this weekly remainder of this weekly CB up here. So that could be a potential draw for price. It's retracing into the range. All right, overall 60-day is showing bearishness. Okay, so dollar still we're still in a risk on scenario, right? Dollar lower. You can get retracements in a risk on scenario, right? In any trend, you're gonna get retracements. Doesn't mean that the trend is shifting yet, right? So next draw is a 4-hour imbalance over here. Okay, digging deeper into this daily CB. So still no risk on scenario for me for dollar, okay, meaning all asset classes should be going higher. Could be wrong, okay, but I'm still trying to get a grasp on into market analysis. MNQ, okay, hitting the target. All right, this was my expectation for the week, but it completely just annihilated it, like didn't even show no regard for it. So now I'm seeing this right here in the weekly and the daily. I'm seeing that potentially could come take this monthly buy side into this weekly inefficiency. Okay, which also have a daily nested inside of it. Okay, and we have another daily up here. So really and truly is confirming my weekly analysis right now. Okay, my weekly program, which is a buy program. All right, I don't see anything denying that. I am my current understanding of price action. Okay, so nothing's really happened in price. If anything, it's just confirming that, yeah, I'm probably on side on that. Could be wrong too. But yeah, let's go ahead and note key highs and lows there. Let's check out what the morning session had going on. Oh, look at that's the new week opening gap there. You're shitting me, right? Oh, wait, that's a big ass gap. And then left it completely open. Obviously, it's gonna be a big bullseye for price. 3, 2, 3. We've got a 1 hour sell there using London buy side. Oh, the open range gap huge as well. Fucking hell, mate. Oh, touching shit. That's a big ass gap. Oh, okay, we're seeing a setup here. Using open range sell side. We're taking the AM session buy side there. Interesting stuff going on right now. It's below price. Okay, so we gapped up, huge ass gap. So we go like double gap. Well, here anyway, literally no price action is taking place in this part of price. So this is a huge bullseye for the week. Oh no, that's the 20-day high. I'm presuming. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and do our key highs and lows and get on with our morning. It was there. 2, 3, 4. This would be 2, 3, 4 last candle. Okay, so you got tagged in it here. Yeah, and he's doing his thing. So yeah, we did have a morning session trade there using open range sell side. All right. So this is probably where I would have been in now. See what it gave us. Yep, -1 again, smashed that. Cool. Didn't really miss much, right? But as you can see, there was still a trade in the day, right? But anyway, let's do what we came here to do. PM session from yesterday's all the way down here. So not even a factor going into today right now. So we don't need to worry about that. So let's go London, which they are the same on that. Oh yeah, DJ, I tried to backtest like the seconds. I didn't even realize the Top Step X didn't have like bar replay mode. And I tried to do the backtesting and it just was market is open. It was a lot. So I didn't even get to even do it because I just like, yeah, this This is unnecessary. Like, why does it need to be this difficult? uh, but I didn't get to do it, so that's why I'm also staying at one this week as well, just to collect more data. You have London buy side there. AM session buy side is 9:30 candle, but it is the 12 p.m. candle on a 1 hour. Launch hasn't been confirmed yet. By AM sell side. It's at 10 AM. It's the same. Then we have Asia buy side. 9 p.m. London at 2 a.m. Oh. Asia sell side is the 8 p.m. Launch hasn't been confirmed yet. We'll do it on the 15. It's the same here. 15-minute, the only thing that's different is AM session buy side. PM session kicking off, which is 9:30. Just get open range in there. Range the same there. 9:40. Two, three, four. Madness. Beautiful, beautiful. Minimal risk. Love that. This year is gonna be a true test of, everything that I've learned, my discipline coming into play, like in terms of not trying to let the real world life, come and deviate me from everything that I got going on. So yeah, it's gonna be a true testament of my character right now in these markets this week. I'm waiting on the launch to be confirmed, but still have time on that, so we can go back to 1 minute. Oh, got all the key levels I need going into this PM session. What's really above price that I can. This was the monthly. Um, delete that, delete that one. I missed you though, DJ. I missed you over the weekend. It's life, and certain shit needs to happen to refocus you on, you know. Trust that Yeshua has a plan for me. It's gonna be my lunch today. Still staring at me. Use me, got it. Oh, lunch has been confirmed there. 1 p.m., 12 p.m. Waiting on open range or and lunch on the 1 hour. Those are the same currently. We would take this high, we see lunch. I mean, lunch on the 1 hour will be the same. $150 macro. What is going on with this thing? It's being very difficult. Nothing on the way to do on the 15-second chart here. Yeah, because this will be the high 2, 3, 4, and this will be the last candle that needs to be involved in the Fair Value Gap, and it's not so. Seconds potentially. 2, 3 to confirm this Fair Value Gap here. Just confirm them on the sell account. Two, three, four. 2, 3, 4. If this candle is involved in a Fair Value Gap, I'll need to adjust that entry there. See if we get tagged in. One hour lunch will be confirmed in less than or in a minute. And it's looking like they're gonna be the same unless this 1 minute candle blows up here. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we have a 1 minute setup as well. So let's adjust it to that because the high look a bit higher time frame takes precedence, right? 2, 3, 4. Fourth candle, Fair Value Gap here. Lunch 1 hour is 1 hour. Yeah, lunch 1 hour is confirmed and it's the same as the 15-minute there. So nothing to do there. So then will be order fills tagged in there. No sync. Let's do a stop. I accept the $23 loss that comes with this trade here. 8350, 8450. Six, 69. And well, it'll be on the 1 to 3. Another sell in 30 seconds here. There is a tiny fair value gap in that. One minute, also about to confirm a sell here. This tiny fair value gap. Let's see this. Clone is picking any of this up. So we'll have $54, $205. Two, three. Oh no, there's no high. The high is okay. So no, tripping that. 1 minute. Yeah, this was it. There's your re-entry there because we're still above zero. $50% is like right on my entry, just a little bit above the entry. A tick above my entry. Needs to go below 8950. So we're looking at 89. Definitely did that. So reduce some risk there. Now we're risking 50 cents in this trade. Open range buy side and sell side will be confirmed in about 3 minutes. Well, less than 3 minutes. It wants to take me out. I'm okay with that. But I'm wearing my procedures and protocols, so not much more I can do from here. It's out of my hands. Do think it's gonna go some more than -1, but that's where I'm at right now. So that's where I take out the trade. So until I can hold and partial, that's what we're doing. That's where we're at. Open range. Order filled. All right, thank you very much. Yeah, I'm doing the same thing here too. Open range buy side and launch session buy side in the crosshairs. PM session open range buy side getting liquidated or raided. Like a London high there. tags me before he takes lunch, I'll be interested. But if he takes lunch and then tags me in, no, my cup of tea. Order filled. Thank you. Stop. It's huge in it. Oh, 30-second try anyway. Oh, $43. I accept the risk that comes with this trade here. Still get a sell here, so I've set my stop on this trade, so let's leave it alone. Order filled. $10, that's madness. I could take that. Make 27. It's like virtually no money there. What I would say is I like the risk here though. I'm a fan of the risk here. Potentially another setup could be Foreman. If he gives it to us. Doesn't look like it. They're the same high, so no, nothing there. -3 is lining up with opening range sell side there. So I like that as a draw. But let's see. Twenty 1915. You have a tiny family gap there.
Order filled.
All right, taken out. Well, no qualms with that trade. Do want to see this keep price higher now though. Won't get in because I'm already in there. On the buy side up there, still below zero. Stop would be here, or the lowest low here. Oh, another sell. I don't mind. Oh, no, 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 no.
Order filled.
So look what amp bites right here. It's gonna fail. I ain't even gonna put the take profit. I already know what's up here. No sink there. As long as we take the high, this should keep price lower.
Order filled.
Thank you. Yep, so this get price lower. I mean higher. Oh, I keep saying lower. Lower. This should keep price higher. Like I said, another buy re-entry. Re-entry, potentially. Now I'm gonna wait till a lunch session buy side gets taken to take another sell here. But price action is showing to me that it wants to keep going higher. So just let it do its thing. Now for this trade to be valid, maybe you should have took this along. Doesn't always have to though. I'll pay attention. It will be the same, just entry will be much better. But exits are the same. Null and void.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. Yeah, nothing wrong with those trades. Those are trades I'll take over and over again. Lunch session getting raided. Didn't get there.
Order filled.
Really should be this high because it's 2, 3, third candle there. $10. It's a lot of trading because it's seconds in it.
Order filled.
What can I say then? Wants to go higher and higher. So let's see how this behaves. But really and truly is this high. All right, it should have been this high. But I'm not willing to do that just because of what price action is telling me. Feels naive. To like what, like 5 trades already, and I'm still just down $46. uh, mhm. I can stomach that. I can eat that. Swallow it whole. They're fair trades and fair losses. So the buyers had so many re-entries there. Want to give me a sell here? You know me, I'll take it. Looking like 30 seconds. Oh Lord.
Order filled.
Okay. 15 seconds. So we'll be in there already. -2, right below opening range sell side. Another one on the 15-second chart there. Right at it, so it's not at the point of moving my stop yet. So there we go. Reduce some risk there to $7. $250 macro. Another sell there on the 30-second. 2, 3. Fair value gap there. Another, no, not on the 15-second actually. Still wouldn't have got to the point of me reducing risk anyway, so.
Order filled.
Thank you. Which means that our buy is about to get taken out. Stop is even wrong. 20375 down here. No, sorry. 30-second sell there. Second sell.
Order filled.
I can accept that. Now let's follow this trade and see what else it gives us. TP2, no, not hit yet. Oh, that just one trade made me back to regular. You can see nothing on the 1 minute, so I wouldn't be even getting anything. Re-entry, re-entry. Mm. Mm. Okay, okay, data collecting, data collected. It might need to be it for that one. Because it can't be the same as that, because sometimes it's just I'm asking too much of the market there. TP2, see what the risk to reward would be. And same entry. Just the stop loss would be much smaller on the 15-second. A little bit under 1 to 2. Yeah. That's going to be adjusted there. Can't be the same as the original. But we'll keep collecting the data. But so far, I'm leaning towards adjusting it. Yeah. So I won't be able to set my exit until this high goes, and then I'll see what the lowest point is in terms of coming in here and then taking that buy side. Then I'll know. Even on this 1 minute trade set up here, would allow me to move to 50%, just because this would be the management of the trade there. 50%, just shy of taking profit, but still would be a reduced loss there. And on the 30-second trade I was in, really would be, I'll do the lowest point until between this high and this high. What's the lowest point? Will give me my exit protocols. Right? Which would have gave me 50%. It still would have missed me out my take profit, but at least it'll be taking me out for reduced risk. Cool. So we'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Not we'll see, but data's been collected. TP3, taking opening range sell side. Oh shit, why do you keep touching that shit? Yeah, one above it, I probably would have been out at 250. We are 150. TP was that 1, 2, 3, 4. TP4. Two, three. It wants to go without me. It can do that. It has every 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4 last candle there. It has every right to do what it wants to do. Low of that is 29150. 29250. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think whoever attacked me in either way. 2, 3, 4. This is the last candle that has to be involved in the fair value gap on the 1 minute there. 2, 3. For me to be interested on the 1 minute time frame. What, 45 more seconds? Last entry point for me there. 2, 3, 4. Goes without me, goes without me. For all these time frames and no entry, then it is what it is, bro. Let me see what the 5 seconds saying. Yeah, even nothing on the 5 second there. So yeah, that's a trade that just doesn't want me in it. Maybe you'll give me another opportunity, who knows? We've taken this buy side here. Yeah, entry would be here, but I really would prefer the lower entry here. On the 1 minute. Let's see what these time frames are saying. They ain't saying much. Could be what, 775? Uh-huh. And then I would have been typed in there. Yep. Yeah, that one's on me, innit? I'm be forgetting the one above, innit? No worries. You have a 1 minute sell here. It's interesting, isn't it? Don't move my shit, man. Well, now I wanted to enter me in here, but I'll just leave it alone.
Order filled.
Tagged in that trade. It's out of my hands now. It's a fair trade though. 54 will be my last trade on the buy account here. Should it fail. 70. A little bit over 1 to 2. Is 475. Lunch low 275675. Asia high 20 20 5265. No, 2548. Asia low 24415. Passport accurate, so I had to put correct. Oh, my spelling is atrocious. Highs and lows are correct. They're not the problem. They're actually on point. Hey, another buy setup here using open range sell side. Under 1 minute. That was the entry there. It's close to my entry anyway. So re-entry for me there because it was still below zero. At cube, maybe he's got two C's. Oh yeah, it does have two C's. I only put one, that's why I was struggling. At cube. Ac and then Q, right? Yeah, that's two C's. Ooh, I don't get paid to spell, guys. I don't get paid to spell. But what's that got to do with the triggers? If this low goes, it will reduce the probability of my trade. Still would be in this sell trade, by the way. Runner would be doing his thing. Entry would be at break even after -1 there. Still hasn't come and taken us out there. So they're giving you 1, 2, 3, 4 take profits. This is 30-second buy there. $15 buy. So this should be last line in the sand, especially this low. Like I said, if this low goes, definitely reduces the probability of my trade. Trade won't be wrong until this low goes. At that point, it will take me out, right? So let's see. Yeah, that low went, so reduce the probability of my trade. Reducing probability doesn't mean that the trade is, null and void, but it just means that less likely for it to pan out. But if by a miracle, it doesn't take me out. Like I said, if by a miracle, would need to be a miracle at this point. But if we take this low, okay, I want to see this SIB. Oh, it's a busy, bro. I want to see that busy keep price higher. I mean, higher, keep price lower. I don't know why I just keep like confusing the words. But the sell trade will still be ongoing because we have incumbent taking us out a break even. So let's see. Match assignment.
Order filled.
Thank you. I didn't even know I had a Modern 11 account. How would I know what my login is? Not gonna win them all. Not gonna win them all. So this here, it doesn't come all the way up there for the 1 minute there. Busy turned silly. Bless me. I do like this buy here. But I have no more bullets for the buy account, so even though 100 isn't, still I don't want to do that. Minute sell. I would say that was my last bullet for the buy account. No, those two bullets really, really, count for just one. But still. I have no idea what this is. I don't even know if I have a modular. Oh, okay, maybe I have one of those. We're the same. What is going on here? It's the same game. Yeah, Florida United FC versus Miami. But anyway, this buy would be still active in it. Would be looking good right now. But it's still active. Let's follow it. Let's track it. But moving forward, I'm gonna have a percentage of how much I want to lose and be done instead of the bullets. Because bullets wise, I've been out with the other one anyway, and I was still taking trades. But this was a perfectly good trade. So It's a good trade. But let's see how great of a trade it is. If it allows me to reduce risk, which is exactly at entry, just a little bit below entry, then it will be a good trade. But if it doesn't do that, not that great of a trade. And I wouldn't mind missing it. Right? But either way, you'll still be in it. It's offering me another entry point or it's coming to the entry. Let's let's see what 2% on the day. Either way, that's $1,000. Let's do 1% of it, of 50K is 500. Okay, let's say 500 bucks is my max loss on the day. I can eat that, even if it's 250. Right? I'll still be fine to take a trade there unless I lose 500 or between 500 and 250 is I'm debating. Yeah. Instead of doing the bullets, because the bullet limits me, because obviously I'm trading on a short time frame now. So it's going to be like, you know, so I can't do bullets no more. Doesn't make sense on the seconds time. So it has to be like a maximum loss amount. And I'm like, okay, done with this trade, done with this account, I guess. And $100 is nothing to me right now. All right. Getting 1% better, man. Learning, growing. Yeah. I wouldn't be missing much in this trade anyway. So sure, it's allowing me to adjust. That's how we're checking the teams. All right, would be getting taken out of that bitch. Would it be worth it? Hell no, I'm happy I didn't get in there. So there you go. Might not make it all the way up there, but if you have a seconds, stop would be above here, which would be the same stop as the 1 minute. Also, then that would mean the highest high right here to the lowest low here. And let's see how it pans out on that. Let's follow it this way. And let's collect the data on it, because the other one would be this, which would be really oxing too much of the market there. But once that low gets taken, what's the highest high? That takes it. And let's see. All right, all right, all right, all right. So, yep, we'll be moving to 50% here, which be a little bit, oh, maybe, yeah, better than break even because your entry was up here. I want to sync this and see. Where we came in at. 15 seconds also gave you a re-entry there, which I've noticed that. I'm noticing, I'm learning, I'm getting it, I'm getting it. Even if I'm not confident to get in it here. Bing bang, another opportunity. Bing bang, biggity bosh. I'm seeing. Because if I was waiting for the 1 minute, wouldn't have come there. But of course, we had the setup here. Failed. Re-entry model. Move into 50, which is better than entry. Let's see what it offer you. And the initial trade here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take profits. And that sell. Lobele, jobele. Lobele, jobele, bobele. Ooh wee. Let's see if it will be coming to take you out there. Better than break even though, still. Wait, look at -6 line up with, what was that low? 1925. Then one more minute. Oh, it's lunch. Yeah, lunch low. Oh, excuse me. Four PM. That the low is lining up with, can't be. Yeah, it's lunch low. Bravi, bravi, bravi. Oh shit. Even the 15 seconds here, we have a sell set up, swing high, key high, swing high, displacement. That was the entry I was looking at, but I was looking at it based off this, but that in itself is a sell. %, still would be in there. Target right there. A little bit over 1 to 2. Even right here. Madness. Is it look, is it low? Is the what's the low? 8875, high 8875 is the same, so no fair value gap there. Well, would have come and taken you out there at 50%. Yep, and this would have come and taken you out break even. Well, right here would have come and taken you out break even, but entering this trade. Let's do that. We can go over that at the end of the day. 2, 3, 4. Two, three. I said I'm done, I'm done. Don't mind watching the rest. 50%. 2, 3, 4. Entry really would have been here on this fair value gap. So 50% will be reducing the risk. I should keep price higher. Thirty-second sell, 15-second sell. So let's see what's that's about. So if we take that high, it will be this and that, right? I'm seeing the ones that the one closest to the swing, not the fourth candle, or then the third candle. Why, Lord? Why, Lord? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Off the screen on that shit. Anyway, let's get rid of that. And she took that. Bing, bang, biggity bosh. That is what I'm talking about. Why is that? You gotta get tired.
Market is closed.
All right, DJ. All right, all right, all right. What an eventful day. All right, let's do a trade performance review here. Go over the day a little bit and be done for today. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Yeah. CPI tomorrow should be interesting. Is that today? When was he scheduled to speak? Whatever, we go CPI tomorrow. Well, this looks different than what he was saying last week. But anyway, Wednesday we go news. Powell speaking in the morning. Oh, 8:40. I got a week full of news there. Mama. The goodness, yeah. Anyway, trade performance review. What I did well today is I showed up, okay, got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons, okay. Even though it looked like I was like taking trade back to back, back to back, back to back and stuff, it's because obviously in the seconds and 30 seconds, the seconds time frame is like a constant, it's quick, bro. So all the trades were following the model, following the model. So I'm not upset about any of them. Losses are the only thing promised to traders. Ended up taking a loss on a buy account. Obviously, there was other buy setups I could have potentially got in. Okay, that could have potentially reduced this, but after a while, like I said, it was I have to adjust. Oh well, let's do the performance review and leave and stop jumping the gun. What I fell short today would be not doing any morning routine even after I woke up like at 11:15. Don't mind the waking up late part, okay, because when I checked the economic calendar, there was only news in the PM session, so it's fine. But either way, I woke up late behind time regardless, so we'll take that as a fallen short. Market wise, nowhere really I fall short. All right, everything was following the model procedures and protocols that I've set in place, and pretty much, yeah. How can improve for next day, next trading session is I'm still collecting more data on the secondary model in terms of taking where my take profit, how to manage the trade, all right, in terms of using the fib and the way to put the fib instead of the current one. I'm gonna adjust it to like the low and the high here, just because I can't use the same trade management as the initial model. So still collecting data, but so far it's looking like I'm gonna be switching it. We'll see how this week turns up. I'm gonna use it going forward this week just to see how it pans out. And obviously, I'll still be paying attention to the original trade management and exit protocols as well, just to see which one is better fitted for me. Also how I can improve for next day, next trading session is keep sticking to my model procedures and protocols. Also, I'm gonna come up with a percentage loss for the day, and I'm gonna get off that bullet thing. Okay, just because I've shifted towards the seconds time frame, and there's like setups are like literally like that. I can't do a 2 bullet type thing on that. It has to be a risk amount or percentage amount of risk, and then I'm done trading on that account for the day. Okay, so maybe 250 per session, which would take me to overall 500 on the day. All right, and yeah, and I'll be done because the risk wise, as you could see today, it was like $10, $20, $45, $50. $50 was really the highest risk I took today. $54 was the highest risk trade I took today, which is something I can stomach all day. Like $50, that's like out $250. That's what for five trades potentially, right? At $54 each to be done on that. Yeah, so moving forward, we're gonna shift from bullets to percentage in terms of risk. All right, which will be for now, I'm thinking between 250 and 500. Okay, so it'll be 250 per each session and 500 overall for the day. So if I still have, something left over, in the day if I'm at like minus 300 and I still have 200 really left. So I can enter a trade until I get to that 500 buffer and then I'll be done. So yeah, that's how I can improve for next trading session, adjusting that a little bit because yeah, I can't do that. As you could see today, like the trades were back, even though there were losses. They were like tiny losses, like little ant bites that I can stomach and take all day and every day. But other than that, it's been a good morning. I was gonna say morning, afternoon of being back in starting the week, okay, and learning, growing, getting 1% better. Can't complain here, okay, DJ. So yeah, that'll be it for me today. We're back at 8 tomorrow at 9:15. Got full schedule this week, so I'm excited and happy about that to grow and get better. Once I get off here, I'm gonna go over this trade over the PM session and see, um, where the trades was at and how I could have obviously better handled my trading session, this PM session. So, but other than that, I think this is the best way to backtest. I have to backtest like right after the day because if I wait till the weekend, it's a no bueno. I tried this weekend and it's a no bueno for me. But yeah, DJ, we out. Catch you back tomorrow. We're back at another week, starting off strong and not strong. Okay, learning, growing, getting 1% better. Still in early phases of this. Still haven't really like lost really that much on these accounts. But yeah, my goal is to have them passed before the next billing cycle, which I have no idea when the next billing cycle is. I don't want to go on this thing and you guys see my bank details and information and shit. I don't know when the next billing cycle is. Yeah. 50K, 50K. Where is the next billing cycle? 524. So yeah, 524. So we have what? Oh, we don't have long. We ain't got long, 524. We got that information. We don't need to stay on that page. I don't know what sensitive information was on that page, really and truly. 524. Oh shit. We got this week and next week. Ooh. And I'm staying at 1 this week still. Oh, next week I can make it, but I can make do. I can do it. I think I could do it. I think I could do it. By next week, I think I could do it. Up the leverage a little bit next week, I could do it. It's possible, right? Yeah, I have faith. But anyway, that's the next billing cycle. So it is what it is. DJ, we out. We out. Catch you tomorrow. As always, I'm the trader signing out. Happy hunting.